In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or downgrade your Asana subscription. Let's start by signing into your Asana account. Use the browser or app you normally use and make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization where the paid plan is active. If you manage multiple workspaces, switch to the one tied to the subscription you want to change. A quick tip: only billing owners or admins can make subscription changes. If you don't see the options in the next steps, you may need to ask an admin to grant you access. Once you're in, look to the top corner and click your profile picture or account menu. This menu is your hub for account level settings. If you don't see your photo, it may appear as your initials. Open that menu to reveal links to settings and admin tools. From here, go to Billing, Plan, or Admin Settings. The exact wording can vary based on your role and the version of Asana you're using, but you're looking for the place where your subscription details live. If you land in the admin console, look for a billing or plan tab inside it. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct workspace or organization at the top of the page. Next, find your current paid plan or subscription. This section will typically show your plan type, seat count, renewal date, and payment method. It's helpful to review these details so you know where you stand, especially your next charge date and how many seats you're paying for. Now choose the option that fits your goal: cancel, downgrade, or manage plan. Cancel will end your paid subscription at the end of the current billing period. Downgrade usually moves you to a lower tier plan or free plan and reduces features. Manage plan lets you adjust things like seat count or plan type without fully canceling. Read the on-screen explanations carefully so you know exactly what will change. Finally, follow the confirmation steps to finish the cancellation or downgrade. Asana may ask you to confirm your choice, select a reason, or acknowledge the effective date. Review any notes about proration, feature loss, or data access, then confirm. When you're done, you should see a completion message and you may receive a confirmation email. It's a good idea to take a screenshot or save the confirmation for your records and verify your next renewal date reflects the change. That's it. You've successfully navigated to your billing area, identified your active plan, chosen cancel, downgrade, or manage, and completed the confirmation steps with confidence.